Hey guys, so I'm here with Darcy from Darcy's Hiking Diaries, and we're in Beltzville State Park. We're gonna go see some waterfalls today. We're gonna hike the waterfall, the Sawmill Trail, and then we're gonna go check out Wild Creek Falls. We've had really nice weather, but today it's really cold.
As I'm cheering.
Yeah, so yeah, we're really braving the cold for you guys today, so come along with us. It is April. So as you're hiking the Sawmill Trail, you can see that there are dams that are man-made, and that at one point in time there was a grist mill in this area. This was a really neat little spot, and there was a little offshoot trail from the trail where you could go down and kind of get up close to the different, I'd say there's like 3 little waterfalls along this dam here, but you could take a very well-worn path to get a little bit closer. According to the park website, this is an abandoned slate quarry, and it dates back to the 18th and 19th century. The color of the water in this quarry was really quite beautiful. This looked like a little cave. We tried to shine our phone flashlight down here, but you really couldn't see too much. Okay, so I just finished up hiking with Darcy. I think this is actually the 3rd time we've hiked together. We get along really good. We both just love hiking and being outdoors, so it always makes for a nice collaboration. Check out Darcy's channel, Darcy's Hiking Diary. She's doing some amazing stuff on her channel, stuff that I watch and I'm like so inspired by. She does these solo backpacking trips, so definitely check out her channel if you haven't and give that a subscribe. So we were just done hiking, and I just thought I would check out this part of the park before I leave. So the park has some of these purple martin houses. So all of the purple martins that live east of the Rocky Mountains depend on people. And traditionally people would put up like gourds and things for the birds to nest in. Now they have these more modern nesting boxes, but it's pretty neat to see them here at Beltzville Lake. It doesn't look like any purple martins have moved in yet. a second video coming up from Beltzville showing you the Wild Creek Falls area, but thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, everybody.